a dark parade, not a rough patch to rain on, to rain on. I know your friends may say this is cause for a celebration, hip hip parade of the photographs in sepia tones, so still the fire's barely fighting the cold alone. And there are times when I can feel you ghost, just when I'm almost letting you go. The cards were stacked against us both. I will always love you for what it's worth. We never fade like graffiti on the overpass. And I know time may change the way you think of us, but I remember the way we were. You were the first full stop, love that will never leave. Baby, you will never be lost on me. Hello everyone, Albert here. Today we have another great song by Ed Sheeran, Overpass Graffiti, and what a wonderful song it is to play on the guitar. I show you how to play it in the typical Ed Sheeran style and in a more easy way. Let's dive into it. The song is in C, but in the demo I put the capo on position 6 because that suits my vocal range better. Try for yourself which position suits your vocal range. Of course you can play without the capo just like Ed Sheeran. The chords stay the same. Throughout the song your pinky stays on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, except in the chorus when you play the D minor chord. Dark parade, I know your friends may say this is the cause for celebration. Hip hip parade, photographs in sepia tones, so still the fire is barely fighting the cold alone. And there are times when I can feel you ghost, friends may say this is a cause for celebration. Hip hip hooray love. The photographs in sepia tones, so still the fire's barely finding the gold. Alone. And there are times when I can feel your ghost, just when I'm almost letting you go. The cards were stacked against us both. I will always love you for what it's worth. We never fade like graffiti on the overpass. And I know time may change the way you think of us, but I remember the way we were. You were the first full stop, love that will never leave. Baby, you will never be lost on me. Baby, you will never be lost on me. Yeah, lost on me. Graffiti on the overpass. This is a dark parade, another rough patch to rain on, to rain on. I know your friends may say this is the cause for celebration. Hip hip hooray love. The photographs in sepia tones, so still the fire's barely fighting the cold. There are times when I can feel your ghost, just when I'm almost letting you go. The cards were stacked against us both. I will always love you for what it's worth. We never fade like graffiti on the overpass. And I know time may change the way you think of us, but I remember the way we were. You were the first full stop, love that will never leave. Baby, you will never be lost on me. Did you like this video and I was able to help you? Then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Do you have any questions? Drop it below in the comments. Then I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye! I know your friends may say this is a cause for celebration. Hip hip hooray love. The photographs in sepia tones, so still the fire's barely fighting the cold. Alone. And there are times when I can feel your ghost, just when I'm almost letting you go. The cards were stacked against us both. I will